How to hide likes on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right. Then navigate to your settings. And here you want to scroll down to the preferences section, and from there click on reaction preferences. Now as you can see here, it tells you hide number of reactions. The first option is on posts from others, and it explains that you won't see the total number of reactions for posts other shares to Facebook, meaning that you won't see the number of likes on other people's posts. So if you want to turn this on, just click on the toggle next to it and it will be activated. The second one, it says on your posts, and it explains that other people won't be able to see the total number of reactions and likes on your own post. So if you want to activate this one, just click on the toggle next to it and it will be turned on. And that's it. That was it for this video. That's how you can hide the number of reactions and likes on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.